Today I'm going to reveal the exact steps to create those viral videos that are capturing millions of views on Instagram and YouTube. And here's the best part. It only takes a few minutes to create these masterpieces. First, let me tell you that if you just want to know how to create this type of video, then kindly skip the video till this timestamp. Now just look at these Instagram pages and YouTube channels. They're skyrocketing to fame with millions of views and followers in no time. But guess what? You don't need to spend hours scripting or editing, and you don't have to break the bank. All you need is your trusty mobile phone and a stable internet connection to create exactly the same video as them. And don't worry, I'll be demonstrating on my PC, but you can follow along on your phone just like a pro. Are you ready to join the AI domination revolution? Head over to leonardo.ai and provide your email ID. Click back and then hit Launch App, followed by the I am whitelist button. Now, click on AI image generation. Here's where the magic happens. Select the highest dimension and write your prompt here. The prompt should be the same one that I am using right now. You can only change the person if you want. Like here, I am using a young businessman, but you can change it to like an old man, a warrior, or anything like that. Also make sure to select Dreamshaper V5 model to get the best result for our image. After that, click on Generate. Now you will get 4 AI generated images, and if you like any of them, then simply click on Upscale and proceed to download it. And if you're unsure how to use Leonardo.ai, simply click on the button to learn more about this cool AI tool. Now it's time to generate a script for our video, and we'll turn to the trusty Chat-GPT for assistance. Simply paste this prompt that I have provided in the description, and if you want you can customize it as you want. Now watch as Chat-GPT works its magic, providing you with a video script that will captivate and inform your audience. Now it's time to bring our video to life using the image we generated with the power of AI. Here's how we'll do it. First, head over to did.com and click on the free trial option. Once you're in, click on Create Video. See that little plus sign? Click on it. Sign up with your email ID or simply continue with Google. Now select Add and upload the AI-generated image. Next, it's time to infuse your video with the perfect voice and style. Browse through the various options and find the one that fits your character. Don't forget, you can even preview the voice right here. Once you've found the golden combination that tickles your fancy, hit that Generate Video button. It will show you how many credits it will consume. By default, you'll receive 20 credits, but fear not. You can either purchase more credits or if you're feeling savvy, sign up with a different email ID to score another round of 20 credits, totally free. Now, behold the magic as your video comes to life. Once it's ready, simply download it. But hold on, because the best is yet to come. You see, many folks out there are doing the same thing, but their video quality suffers because they simply download and upload the file, making it even worse than a soggy potato. But not us. We're taking it up a notch. Before we proceed, let's add some captivating captions to our video. We'll be using a fantastic free video editing tool called CapCut. Once you have CapCut up and running, import the video we just created and effortlessly drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now, let's focus on adding the captions. Click on the text option and select Auto Captions. With a single click on Create, your captions will magically appear. To enhance readability, let's make the captions larger. We want them to be easily digestible for our viewers. Next, let's make them visually appealing. Choose the font option, and personally, I recommend Arial Black for its appealing appearance. Now, scroll down and activate the stroke and shadow features. These subtle additions will make your captions stand out. To maintain a pleasing flow, click on the captions themselves and adjust the sentence length. If needed, you can split sentences into 2 halves by hitting the Enter key. Once you've put the finishing touches on your captions, it's time to export. Simply click on Export and select the 1080p resolution. Don't worry. We'll further enhance the video quality in the next step. Now that we have successfully created our video, it's time to take its quality to the next level. To begin, Download the video onto your mobile phone. You can either send the video file to yourself via WhatsApp or simply transfer it from your PC. Once you have it on your mobile phone, the next step is to download the Wink app. Install the app and open it. Within the Wink app, locate the image quality option and give it a tap. Proceed by selecting Try Now and choose the video we just downloaded. The time it takes to enhance the video quality will depend on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the process is complete, click Done and then again select the enhanced video to enhance it even more. And once it's done, import the final enhanced video into the VN video editor on your mobile phone. Within the editor, navigate to the filter section and click on Adjust. Here, you have the freedom to make adjustments as per your preference. However, I recommend increasing the sharpness to around 30 and leaving the other settings untouched. Once you're satisfied, click on the checkmark symbol and then on the blue export button. From here, you can select your desired resolution to export the video. Click on the checkmark symbol again to confirm your selection, and then patiently wait for the app to finish exporting the video. It's crucial not to exit the app until the export process is complete. Now, compare the before and after versions of our video, and you'll witness the remarkable difference.
Embrace challenges to unlock hidden potential. Embrace challenges to unlock hidden potential.
Now, before we proceed to upload the video on Instagram, it's important to adjust a setting. Go to the settings and enable the upload at highest resolution option. This ensures that your video maintains its quality when uploaded. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create these amazing AI-generated videos. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Have a fantastic day.